Hi. So in this video, I want to show you a very simple command that you can use to rename files in the command prompt. Okay. So on the desktop, which is also our current working directory in the terminal that you are seeing or the command prompt that you are seeing, I want to rename this file called poem.txt, and this is the file we created from the previous session. I showed you how to use either Notepad or Visual Studio Code to create a file from the terminal. Sorry, when I say terminal, I also means command prompt, and I'm used to terminal because I use Macintosh more often. Okay, so I'm going to rename poem.txt to, let's say, song.txt, and the command is simple. The command is ren for rename, and the rename command takes a source and a destination. So the source is the path to the file that you want to rename, and the destination is the path to where you want the file to be renamed and moved to, or the new name of the file. So I want to rename poem.txt. So poem.txt is the source, and the destination is I want it to become song.txt. So once I execute this, you can see that the file that was previously called poem.txt is now called song.txt. And in fact, the extensions don't need to remain the same. You can change it to whatever you want. Okay, so if I want to change from song.txt to, let's say, salaries.csv, I'm still allowed to do that. You just have to make sure that the content of the file is fit for the file extension that you are assigning to it. So you can see that now song.txt is now salaries.csv. I can also change it from salaries, so I'll say it's rename salaries.csv to, let's say, data.pdf. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's going to rename it for you. The task is on you to make sure that the content of the file fits the extension that you want to assign to it. So after all this juggling around, I want us to rename it back to poem.txt. So I'll do ren data.pdf to poem.txt, and you can see that indeed we have our poem.txt back. So the essence of this video was to show you the ren command that you can use to rename files and of course folders. So you give it a source and also a destination, and it's going to rename that for you. So thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.